a lithium electric leaf blower. You can see that. And basically what it is, it's really just a battery powered leaf blower. And I've already like put this to the test. I've already blown off around the sidewalks, my porch area. And then I just took it back apart, put it back in the box because I wanted to show y'all how it came to me in the box right here. And this is the box I got it in. And then it was super simple to put together, has very little moving parts to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead, put this thing back together and show you what all you get with it. Number one, there's no brand name on the side of it, but it just has open right there and close right there, just so you know. And let me show you this little lanyard piece right here, hooks on there just like that. You do get a little lanyard that goes on there very easily, just like that. And that's gonna go around the shoulder. So there's that part. You get 2 batteries, and the batteries look to be a 21 volt, 6.0 amp hour battery. Power indicator light on the back. Both of them have that, you can see. That's the one I used, and that's the one I'm gonna be using. Here you get a battery charger with it, and it's a 1.3 amp hour battery charger. And this is the type of battery charger that just plugs in just like that. So you're gonna plug it into the top of the battery. Then you get the 2 pieces right here, and that's pretty self-explanatory on that. Little set of instructions. They actually give you some earplugs, foam earplugs. I've already got 10,000 of those. You know what? It's a leaf blower. There's really not much to it, so we won't need that anymore. So let me show you how I'll put this thing together. The red knobs go on top. It's pretty much dummy proof. You just snap it on like that. The red knob goes just like that. There it is. Get your battery with the most power in it. The battery slides right down there like that. This unit has 1 through 6 indicator on it. I go, you can hear the snap right there. I go wide open on mine. It has a safety button right here. Hold down the safety button, hold it together like that. It's a slow build up. Pretty powerful blowing. Let me put you can put the strap, I won't need that strap. I just wanted to show y'all that you can have a strap on it. You can lock the positioning right there. Hold it, look how it's not holding the trigger. So see how I can let the trigger go? Hold down the trigger and then lock it. So it does have a trigger lock on it also. There's not much leaves out here, so it's not fall time yet, but I will show you just blowing this stuff. I think this is a great unit for just kind of like basic jobs. Little dirt area right here. Blows that up pretty good. I think this would be great for just like what I'm doing right here. Just kind of like blowing off the driveway or something like that. Are you gonna be able to like do a commercial, like whole entire field? No, but I think for this type of like use, works great. We go all the way down here. Always get a lot of like stuff right around in here. I like to get up here like this and then go back down. And then to turn it down, you basically just roll your thumb like that. I don't know why I'd ever want to use that, but if you want to use it, it's definitely there. It's super light too. This thing doesn't weigh hardly anything. I'm impressed by this thing. I think this is a great unit for anyone that's just needing to knock a driveway off real quick. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's the electric leaf blower, lithium leaf blower, 6 amp hour, 21 volt. See you all in the next video.